The reason some trucks last 20, even 30 years is not better engines, not expensive parts, but a simple Japanese habit anyone can use. Stay with me, because this can save you thousands. In Japan, trucks don't just run, they evolve. Every day, small improvements, tiny fixes, smart habits, and over time, those small changes create machines that feel almost indestructible. This philosophy is called Kaizen. Kaizen means one simple thing: continuous improvement, not big upgrades, not expensive overhauls, just getting 1% better every day. Now here's the crazy part. When applied to trucks, Kaizen doesn't just improve performance. It can extend engine life, reduce fuel consumption, prevent breakdowns, and almost eliminate unnecessary repairs. Let me guess, you had this happen before. A small issue shows up, maybe a strange noise, maybe a warning light, you ignore it. Days pass, weeks pass, and suddenly, boom, a major breakdown, a huge repair bill. That's how most people treat trucks. But Kaizen flips that completely. Kaizen says, fix small problems before they become big ones. Think of your truck like your body. If you feel a small pain and ignore it, it becomes a serious injury. Same with trucks. A loose bolt today is a broken part tomorrow. A dirty filter today is engine damage later. Let's start with the most powerful part: daily Kaizen habits. These take less than 5 minutes, but can save you thousands. Every day, before driving, check your oil level. Look at your tires. Listen when you start the engine. Check for leaks under the truck. Look at your battery terminals. That's it. Simple. But here's what happens. You start catching problems early, before they grow, before they cost money. Now here's something most people completely ignore: cleaning. In Kaizen culture, cleaning is not just for looks. It's maintenance. A dirty truck hides problems. Dust can block airflow. Dirt can damage components. Corrosion builds silently. But when you clean regularly, you discover loose wires, small leaks, cracks, wear and tear. And sometimes, cleaning alone fixes the issue. Yes, seriously, many broken parts are just dirty. Now let's talk about something that will change how you spend money forever. Most people think, if it's broken, replace it. Kaizen says, repair it first. Instead of replacing a full part, fix the small component inside it. For example, alternator not working? Maybe just worn brushes. Starter failing? Could be dirty contacts. Suspension problem? Maybe just bushings. You don't always need a $300 part. Sometimes you need a $5 fix. This is where Kaizen becomes powerful. Most people fix symptoms. Kaizen fixes causes. Let's say your truck overheats. Normal reaction? Replace the radiator. Kaizen approach: check coolant level. Inspect thermostat. Clean radiator fins. Check fan operation. Look for leaks. Because overheating isn't the problem. It's the result of another problem. Fix the cause, and you fix everything. Now here's something most people don't realize. The driver matters more than the truck. 2 identical trucks. One lasts 10 years, the other lasts 20. Why? Driving habits. With Kaizen driving, smooth acceleration, gentle braking, less idling, proper gear shifting. These small habits reduce engine stress, reduce fuel consumption, reduce wear and tear, and over time, massive savings. Let's talk money. Fuel is one of the biggest costs in trucking. Kaizen reduces it without any upgrades. How? Keep tires properly inflated. Avoid aggressive driving. Reduce unnecessary weight. Maintain clean air filters. Plan efficient routes. Each one saves a little, but combined, you can save 10 to 20% on fuel every single trip. If you own multiple trucks, this becomes even more powerful. Track everything: fuel usage, maintenance history, driver behavior, breakdowns. Then improve one thing at a time. Maybe reduce idling this week, improve tire checks next week, optimize routes next month. Small changes, huge long-term profits. Let me give you a real scenario. A truck starts making a small noise. The owner ignores it. Weeks later, the engine fails. Repair cost, thousands. Now the Kaizen version. Driver hears the noise, checks immediately, finds a loose component, fixes it in minutes. Cost, almost nothing. Same truck, different mindset, completely different outcome. Here's why Kaizen works so well. Because problems don't appear suddenly, they grow. Slowly, silently. Kaizen catches them early, before they become expensive, before they become dangerous. It's not about being a mechanic, it's about being aware. You don't need more money to maintain your truck better, you need a better system. Kaizen is that system. Instead of reacting, you prevent. Instead of replacing, you repair. Instead of ignoring, you observe. And over time, your truck becomes more reliable than ever. Let's break it down. Kaizen for trucks means check daily, fix small issues early, clean regularly, repair instead of replace, drive smoothly, improve continuously. No expensive tools, no complicated systems, just consistency. Here's the truth. The difference between a truck that lasts 5 years and one that lasts 20 is not the brand, it's the habits. Start small, just one improvement today, then another tomorrow. That's Kaizen. And over time, you won't just save money. You'll completely transform how your truck performs. If this changed how you see your truck, hit like, subscribe, double, and comment, what's the first thing you'll improve today? Because remember, small changes create massive results.